You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
What's up? What's up? Welcome back to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Let's go. Today I'll be doing some buffalo ranch wings. I make sure to remove any excess water before seasoning. So here I am adding cornstarch. I don't want any juice on this chicken. I want them to be done like really dry, meaning not wet. Yes. Cornstarch is good once they're baking in the oven. Even for fried chicken, you can also use it in the oven, which I'll show you in another video how I do fried chicken in my oven using cornstarch. I seasoned, and here after I added my cornstarch, I'll be laying these on grease paper to add them in my oven to bake at 350 degrees. Once you add the cornstarch, you make sure that you dust this off. Yes, because it's like a floury basting, but it's not. And I used some buffalo ranch seasoning to season the wings alongside other seasonings. And I will be sprinkling additional seasoning on this before I add it to my oven. Once added to the oven, it's 45 minutes in. I am switching over on the other side for this to bake evenly, and then I will allow to bake for another 20 to 30 minutes or until done. Here my chicken is done. It's crispy like I want it. You can serve your wings with rice, fries, rolls. I ate this with some salad, and of course I used some sauce on the side, some ranch dressing on the side. If you choose, you can also add the liquid buffalo sauce to your wings. I used the powdered buffalo sauce instead of the liquid one. These tasted really, really nice. They were moist, they were not dried out. Again, wings is always a quick run or a quick go-to. There I'm showing you my buffalo ranch seasoning. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please remember to give your girl a like. It is free. If you enjoyed this video, and if there are any other videos that you would like to see me put out there, you can drop in the comment section. And remember, I do dishes across culture. Jamaican, American, not only Jamaican dishes. I do any other cultural dish. I love to experiment and to extend my skill above the regular and the norm. Again, thank you for stopping by. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Please remember to give your girl a like, set that notification bell so you won't miss an upload, and see you soon in another video.
I've been stuck on